What's up everyone, I'm Noah, I'm an engineer on Figma Slides, and today we're dropping 6 sweet updates that you guys are going to be really excited about. The first one, you just saw it, object level animations. We're introducing the ability for you to animate individual layers on just one slide. So we're adding some slide animations as well as some fade animations. The next thing we're introducing are a ton of video improvements. We're adding a bunch of stability improvements as well as controls. So now you're able to pause videos, play them, scrub around with them, change the volume, all while you're presenting a slide deck. But we're not just adding this to presenter view, we're also adding this to the slides editor itself. So I've actually been watching this video in the slides editor this entire time, and I could change around the video settings in the props panel right here. The next thing we're introducing is the ability for you to make components inside of slides files. So I've actually made a bunch of components already. You can insert instances, you can change variants if you have components set. And let's say you have a footer that's connected to a main component. I can just update this footer one time to be today's date, slides GA. And then if I have an instance of this footer on every single slide, they'll automatically update, which is awesome. The next thing we're introducing is slide numbers. This has been hotly requested, and all I have to do is slap a slide number here. I can include the total number of slides, and in one click, I can add a slide number to every single slide. And this will automatically update as I reorder slides around. And then lastly, we're introducing PPTX import and export. So now you can export your Figma Slides files to any other software you'd like. So I can go ahead and export this as a PPTX, and just like that, there we go. And if I go into the file browser, I can actually drag a PPTX file directly in there, open it up, and now it's fully editable in Figma Slides. So I can change around the font over here to whatever I want. I could change the positioning, I could change colors, I could do anything. And we're also introducing Figma Slides into every single seat now. So if you're in a collab seat or a full seat, you will have access to Figma Slides. So thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure to smash that Flies.new button. Thank you.